Hi, I am Sartaj and this is day 2 of my live documenting series. And as I told you yesterday, I am building an app which has an intent to solve the solo traveling problem. So here is what I made. This is the first prototype. So let's jump in. So I have built this app using AntiGravity, and this is only the first prototype. So let's jump in. Right now it is only one journey which I will be updated with, and I will also add the Google Maps support and all the supports. This app will also include a safety score for certain reasons, like for certain bus stand, certain railway station, which tells you which tells you with the warning that what is you are safe place or not. So like this is my home. I when I start the knee, and it will remind me that I have to keep my older document, check the phone light, 80% battery, and so on. There are many features in the first prototype. And when I click and continue my journey, when I read, so basically these are the nodes to my journey. This from my home to the exam center. And once I click the exam center, this is where my journey completed. So yeah, this is what I built for today, and I will be upgrading this more and more. So yeah, that's it.